I found an amazing product on Etsy, and today I want to teach you exactly how to design it and sell it very easily. And I'm telling you right now, I'm confident this can generate a lot of sales for you. So make sure you watch this video until the end, because every minute is packed with value you don't want to miss. Now, if we take a closer look at this product, the first thing you'll notice is that Etsy has labeled it as a bestseller, which means it has been selling really well over the past 6 months. And if we look a little higher, you'll also see that this product is currently in 20 carts, which is another strong sign that people are actively buying it. On top of that, the price is just $2, which is very reasonable for the number of pages included. The product is called Car Lineup Matching Game, and if we scroll down a little bit, we'll see something very important. This is a digital product, and that is exactly what we're interested in. So let's understand how this product works. When you look at the product images, you'll notice that the first page contains 6 roads drawn on the paper, and on each road there is a string attached. Then, a paper car is placed onto each string in a specific way, and I'll explain exactly how that works in a moment. So basically, the 6 cars on the page can move freely along the 6 drawn roads. And then, in the following pages, different patterns are created using these cars. The child's job is to move the cars on the first page to match the pattern shown on the other pages. This is actually a very powerful activity. It helps boost a child's intelligence, and at the same time, it improves their motor skills in a fun and interactive way. Now take a look at this video so you can clearly understand what I mean. First, the child cuts out the cars from the second page. Then they attach those cars onto the strings on each road in the first page. And after that, they start matching the pattern pages one by one. And before we move on to designing this product on Canva in a very simple way, I need you to focus with me for the next minute, because this part can literally change your life if you take it seriously. But before we start, let me tell you something that will make you really happy. Today, I added 5 brand new products to my 80-book bundle. And if you scroll down, you'll see that I've included 5 secret products inside the collection. Now here's the best part. I didn't want only buyers to benefit, so I made product number 1 and product number 11 from these secret items available for everyone. So if we click on product number 11, it will open directly with me here on Canva, and you'll see that this product is called Ladybug Matching Activities. The first page of this product contains ladybugs, and each one has a number from 1 to 9. Then, if we go to the second page, you'll find 9 red circles, and each circle contains a number of dots, also from 1 to 9. This activity is very simple, but I'm 100% sure it can generate a lot of sales on Etsy. For example, the child will go to the second page, cut out one of the circles, let's say the one with 4 dots, then go back to the first page and search for the ladybug with the number 4, and stick the red circle with 4 dots onto it. And just like that, the child learns numbers, how to match them, and how to count in a very easy and fun way. And the final look of the first page is actually beautiful. I personally really loved this activity, even though I'm the one who created it. And it doesn't stop there. You can easily duplicate the first page and continue the numbers. You don't have to limit yourself to just 2 pages of this activity. I'm simply giving you ideas with these secret products, so you can expand and create your own unique versions. Now, if we go back to the 15 secret products, I also left product number 1 available for everyone. And if we click on it, it will open here on Canva as well. This product is also amazing, and it focuses on numbers from 1 to 10 across 10 pages. The first page is for number 1, and then moves to a fun exercise below. The instruction says, cut 1 apple from the apples at the bottom and paste it onto the tree. So the child cuts 1 apple and places it on the tree, representing the number 1. Then if we go to the second page, it's for number 2. The child learns how to write number 2 and then moves to another fun activity below. The exercise says, cut 2 fish from the bottom and paste them into the fishbowl. I didn't complete all the pages. I just left you ideas so you can easily finish the rest from 1 to 10. All you have to do is continue with the same pattern as the first and second pages, and that way your product becomes unique, and you won't have identical listings competing with each other. Now, going back to my 80-book bundle, it's no longer just 80 books. It's a complete collection of 80 full books, and each book contains around 30 pages. You can easily edit everything, whether on Etsy or using Photoshop. You'll receive the files as PDFs and fully editable Canva templates. And I'm confident that if you get this bundle, it can generate amazing sales for you, whether on Etsy or Amazon. Because this collection was built very professionally over the past months, and it reflects more than 7 years of experience in this field. And the best part, it includes all types of trending kids books. Literally any book you can imagine, you'll find it inside this bundle. Plus, you can easily combine these books together to create completely new products, enough to sell on Amazon for at least 2 years. Just imagine opening your own store on Etsy or Amazon and selling more than 100 books. I'm telling you, you can generate hundreds of sales from these products, and it gets even better. I add new products to this bundle every single month, and they're available to anyone who purchases the bundle at any time. The price will definitely increase in the coming days because right now it's heavily discounted. And honestly, the 15 secret products alone are worth more than the full bundle price. I carefully researched them, and I'm sure they will sell very well on Etsy. I've already added 15 Etsy-focused secret products so far, and the latest 5 were just released today. These products are kept secret so they remain exclusive to buyers, giving them a real advantage over others in the market. I'll leave the bundle link in the description and in the pinned comment. Get it now, you won't regret it. Every dollar you invest in this bundle can come back multiplied many times. I'm absolutely sure of that. And sorry for taking a bit long. Now let's jump straight into designing the product we saw at the beginning of the video. And now, I'm going to open Canva and create a new design with dimensions 11 by 8.5. Then I'll go directly to the Elements tab and I'll add this square shape. After that, I'll change its color to white. And I'll add a border with a thickness of 2. Next, I'll resize this square until it fills the entire page. And just like that, I've created clean black borders that give the page a really nice, polished look. Now, this first page will be the one that contains the 5 roads, where the child will place the cars along with the string or thread. So I'll go back again to the Elements tab and search for a road. For example, I'm going to use this road here. Then I'll rotate it 90 degrees so it becomes vertical. After that, I'll drag it to the left side of the page and duplicate it so I can extend its length to match the full height of the page. Then I'll duplicate this road 5 times and arrange them neatly across the page like this. And now, the page contains 5 well-organized roads. And just like that, we are done with the first page. Now I'm going to add a new page, and this will be the page that contains the cars. The ones the child will cut out and then attach to the first page using a string, just like we explained at the beginning of the video, so they can move them easily. I'll go again to the Elements tab and search for car. You'll see a lot of different options. I'm going to choose 5 cars that I like and add them to the page. After that, I'll slightly resize them and check if their size matches the roads on the first page or not. Then I'll arrange the 5 cars across the entire second page. And I'll make sure to leave enough space between each one so the child can cut them out easily. And just like that, we've finished designing the second page. Now, for the rest of the pages, it's actually very simple. I'll just duplicate the first page that contains the roads, and then I'll also copy the cars and place them on the roads in a specific pattern. For example, the first pattern will look like this. The child will simply look at this pattern and then move the cars on the first page until they match the pattern shown on the third page. And just like that, we've finished designing the third page. Now let's move on and design the fourth page. All I have to do is duplicate the third page and then simply move the positions of the cars on the roads to create a new pattern. Now let's create the fifth page using the same method. I'll duplicate the fourth page and change the positions of the cars on the roads very easily. And just like that, you can create 10 pages in just a few minutes. This activity is honestly one of the best exercises I've seen for kids. It's engaging, smart, and incredibly effective. So don't be lazy about creating this product and listing it on Etsy today. I'm telling you, you can make really good profit from this. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're getting value from this content. I've also left you a link to my 80-book bundle with a huge limited time discount available for just a few hours. So if you haven't grabbed it yet, I highly recommend you get it today. You'll find the link in the comments and also in the description below this video. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.